Hi, I'm Rike and I'm studying Computer Science in cooperation with Software AG.
And I'm Chris. I'm studying Cognitive Science and we both work in the research department of Software AG here in Darmstadt.
We are supporting the KLIPS project funded by the German Federal Ministry of Digital Affairs and Transport. The goal is to create an AI-based information platform for localization and simulation of heat islands. An application for such a platform could be innovative urban and traffic planning.
We know design thinking as a collaborative method to tackle big challenges in an innovative and creative way.
In KLIPS, we saw the potential to apply design thinking and conduct a workshop for the first time in a research project. Our aim was to create a trustful collaboration and to design a vision with all research partners in the shortest possible time.
To achieve a trustful collaboration, it was important to us to include potential risks and individual concerns of all partners. At the end of the workshop, we wanted to have small and feasible work steps. Design thinking is a collaborative and user-centered method. So, to benefit from the numerous and interesting experiences of all partners, we conducted interviews. The results of the interviews were the foundation for our 3-hour-long workshop.
It was not easy to fit everything into 3 hours, so a solid structure was important. Design thinking helped us here. The first half of the workshop focused on a common understanding of the problem. The second part was the creative part. Here we first collected lots of ideas and ranked them. In the end, we all agreed on clear and implementable work steps.
Following the workshop, all partners have started to implement their ideas based on concrete work steps. In regular review meetings, we identify those that have a positive impact.
In addition to that, we conducted a survey with the research partners. Results are positive effects such as increased motivation, clear goal setting and a strengthened role awareness.
We are very satisfied and proud because we have managed to develop feasible solutions within a very short amount of time. And the most important thing for me was that we implemented this with all our partners.
In my opinion, the interactive parts made the workshop special. I love that we achieved sustainable results. In our review sessions, we ensure that the consortium will continue to develop.
I definitely recommend this method. It's awesome that we achieved these results within less than 1 working day, which otherwise could have taken several weeks. By working closely together, all partners have a deeper understanding of each other. We even see better collaboration and the project really gained momentum.
In addition, we both personally gained many new and exciting experiences, and this will help our team as well. I would definitely recommend this approach for your project. Try it out and enjoy.